Welcome back to my channel. Come on, job seekers. Are you watching my video for the first time? Then please go for subscription and press the bell icon. Then only you will get my new videos whenever I upload. My dear friends, here come the notification of recruitment under Forest Department Assam. It's a central government job. Okay, let's go through the details of this recruitment. Okay, here there are 7 posts. First post is forester. Number of vacancy 144. Second post is stenographer grade 3. 11 vacancies are there. Next post forest guard 812. 812 vacancies are there. Next post surveyor 35 vacancy. Next post mahat 28 vacancies. Carpenter 1 vacancy, and for driver 50 vacancy. Okay, here I am providing category wise distribution of post. Okay, we can go through it. Among these posts, some posts are allocated to male, female, OPC, SC, ST categories, general, EWS. They are allocating some seat specifically for them. So I am providing here. You can see it in my slide. Just pause the video and you can view whatever it is. I am not going detailing about that category wise distribution. Next, we can go for the eligibility criteria. Okay, first of all, I am saying the common eligibility criteria for these 7 posts. First condition is nationality. Candidate must be an Indian citizen. Okay, ordinarily the resident of Assam. And they are saying about the age. Age for forester 1 and stenographer grade 3rd, they are saying that the candidate should not be more than 38 years and less than 21 years of age as on 1st January 2020. And for forest guard, surveyor, mahat, carpenter and driver, same age limit is there. Should not more than 38 years and less than 18 years of age as on 1st January 2020. And there is some relaxation is also providing, usual relaxation 5 years in the case of candidate who belongs to SC ST, and 3 years for the candidates belongs to OBC. Okay, next part we can go through the educational qualification for the forester. Any graduation. Okay, any graduation is the qualification. And for the stenographer grade 3, they are asking any graduation in any stream. Okay, any graduation they are asking, but you should possess what national trade certificate in stenography from ITA in Assam or any other government, any other institute which is recognized by the government of Assam, and you should have 80 words per minute, that speed in English stenography. Okay, for the forest guard, qualification is higher secondary, and for the surveyor, qualification is HSLC or equivalent examination. Okay, and should have a certificate in draftsmanship. Okay. Next one is for mahat. The qualification, educational qualification is just class 8th. Oh, okay, just class 8th or equivalent, and they should have minimum 3 years experience in elephant upkeeping. And next post is carpenter. Here also the qualification is HSLC or equivalent examination pass, and they should also have trade certificate from recognized institution. Next post is driver. Same qualification, HSLC or equivalent examination, and they should have valid 4-wheeler driving license. Okay, and the driving license issued by the authority of Assam only. Okay. Next, we can go through how to apply. Okay, let's go through the procedures of applications. Okay, but my dear friends, you have to watch till the last, because at last only I am going through the selection process. There are 2 phases, first phase and second phase. Okay, for different posts, for the 7 posts, the selection process is different. Okay, for first phase and for the second phase, in some post written examination comes under first phase, some under second phase. So you have to watch till the last, because at last only I am going through the selection process and some additional qualification. Okay, and here they are providing, if you have some additional qualification, you will get some extra marks. So I will talk about all the details of what are the additional qualifications and how the mark is distributed. Okay, these all things are I am going to cover at the end of the video, therefore please watch till the last. Okay, first of all I want to tell you something. You can apply for the post by submitting your first reference, second reference and third reference. Okay, then you have to upload scanned copies of some documents, and I am going through what are the documents. First of all, passport size photograph. Okay, here they are providing a lot of what specification, so you have to give utmost care while you are uploading your photograph, because they are providing each and every step that required, that it should be in some prescribed format, and they are giving a lot of fine details of the photograph that you are going to upload. Therefore go through it, because I think it is unlike other recruitment. They are providing a lot of restrictions on photograph. Okay, so please take care while uploading the photograph, because they are saying that it should be in color, it should be taken in professional studio, and it must be taken in a white background, and this must have been taken after 1st January 2020, and the face should occupy about 50% of area in the photograph, and you should not go for free hair. So sometimes you may go for some stylish photos. Don't go for that. Don't go for any free hair. Your face should not be covered by the hair, any cloth or any shadow. And as usual, it should be in JPEG format, and its size should be 4.5 centimeter into 3.5 centimeter, and the pixel resolution for JPEG should be 640 into 480, and minimum pixel resolution for JPEG is 320 into 240, and maximum file size is 450 KB. And the next document is signature. Here also they are providing some strict rules while uploading the signature also. It should be you have to put your signature with a black or dark blue ink on a white paper, and only JPEG image formats are accepted, and pixel resolution 800 into 300. Minimum pixel resolution should be 400 into 150, and maximum file size is 100 KB. Okay, now let's go through what are the other documents you have to upload. First of all, it is admit card of HSLC for as a proof of your age or birth certificate, or your matriculation certificate. Okay, and next one is certificate or mark sheet of minimum educational qualification for whatever the post you are going to apply. For example, diploma or certificate in stenography from IT if you are applying for the first stenographer grade 3, or certificate in craftsmanship for the post surveyor, trade certificate of carpentry for the post of carpenter, four-wheeler driving license issued by the authority of Assam for the post driver, and for the post Mahat, experience certificate issued by some registered elephant owners of Assam or Assam Forest Department. These all are the certificate you want to upload. Next one is caste certificate, and the next one is employment exchange registration card or certificate. Next one is EWS certificate. And then after submitting all the documents required, you have to click on the complete button. Complete, there is a button named complete, to ensure that you are agree to all the whatever the entries you made in the form. You are just agree and complete. Click on the complete button. Then you can download the registration or application slip with the ID number. Okay, you want to download that. And as usual, you all know that while filling for the application form by online, you have to enter your email address, valid mobile phone, because through which they are going to contact you. Okay, in the future, admit card, all things are released in your email only. Therefore, give a valid email ID, email and mobile number. Now let's go through the selection process. Okay, first of all I am saying the post forester 1 and forest guards. Okay, for these two posts you have to go through 2 phases, and the first phase test will be the physical fitness test. You have to complete 26 km for males and 16 km for females. You have to cover 26 km for male and 16 km within 4 hours. Okay, according to the merit list of this physical test, they will shortlist some students and they have to appear for the second phase test. Second phase test comprises of written test, and the written test will be 3 hours for the post of forester 1 and 2 hours for the post of forest guard. And for the forester 1, the test will be of 100 mark with the 100 questions, and for forest guard the test will be 75 mark with the 75 questions. And question paper comprises for both for both forester and forest guard. Okay, the syllabus is general mathematics, English and vernacular, grammar, comprehension and composition. And next one is logical reasoning and aptitude. Next one is Assam history, geography, politics and economy. Next one is general awareness or general knowledge and current affairs. These are the syllabus for the post forester and forest guard. And next one is stenographer grade 3. Here also 2 phases, and here the first phase comprises of the written test and the common question paper for stenographer and forest 1. As I said before, the same syllabus is for stenographer also. And here this for the second phase test, there will be a practical test for you. That is, practical test means your speed. Okay, speed in typing. Okay, speed test in shorthand at a speed of 80 words per minute. Within the duration is 5 minutes, and time to be given to the candidate for testing the computer 3 minutes, and time for the transcription for the dictated portion in computer 20 minutes. Okay, this will be your practical test. And next for the surveyor, driver, carpenter and mahad. And here also 2 phases are there. For the first phase, you have a written test, and here it will be an OMR based answer sheet. And here the topics covered is elementary arithmetic, vernacular language, basic general awareness or general knowledge. And for the second phase, you will have a practical test. For the driver, some practical tests are there. For carpenter, you all will have to appear for the practical or skill test. And according to the merit that what are the marks obtained in the first written test only will get shortlisted for second phase. And for the second phase, for the postal surveyor, the components are menstruation and drawing. So after completing the first 2 phases, those shortlisted candidates have to appear for medical test. And finally, those who are medically fit will get appointed. And I have already said you one thing, that you will get some extra points if you have some extracurricular activities. Okay, let's go through the details. Details of what are the extracurricular activities? First of all, if you completed a course in computer course, if you have completed some computer course, then you will get extra points. The maximum point is 10 mark. Under this computer course, there are certain other points. For example, if you have a certificate of MCA, Master in Computer Application, then you will get 10 marks. But if you have only certificate of Bachelor in Computer Application, then you will get only 7 marks. Likewise, the maximum 10 mark is distributed like this. Next, for the educational qualification, means if you have a stenography certificate, if you have mark between 45 to 59.9%, you will get 2 marks. So in the under educational qualifications, you have maximum 5 marks. And under this category, there are some points are also there. I am providing all the details in my slide. You can go through it. Just pause the video and go through it. Okay, I'm not going for a long video. It would be so boring. That's why I am shorting my video. Next, if you have a NCC certificate, okay, then you will get some additional mark. The maximum mark is 5 mark. Next one is sports, and here also maximum 10 mark is there. And if you have some experience in forest department itself, you will get maximum 10 mark. Okay, and according to the experience, the marks will get varied. If you have an experience more than 15 years, you will get 10 mark. But if you have more than 14 years but less than 15 years, you will get 9.5 marks. Likewise, here the maximum 10 mark is distributed likewise. You just go through the slide. Here I am providing there. Okay, so that's all about today's video. If you like it, please like it, share and subscribe. If you need more details of this notification, just comment on it. Then I will go through it and I will make another video for you. Thank you.